Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we'll be doing this spiderweb lace makeup look. I was inspired to do this look by other lace skin makeup looks, and I thought I'd try a spiderweb look for Halloween. To start this look, I used a sheer black spiderweb lace fabric. Then using eyelash glue, I cut out some of the spiderwebs and started to adhere them to my face. After I used the larger ones, I started cutting out smaller spider webs and putting those in the open spaces. To fill in the smaller gaps, I either cut the spider web smaller to fill them in or just filled that area in with sort of the mesh area until I had all the open spaces filled in. I also added a little bit of mesh area above the eyes. Then for the eye makeup, I used the About Face black liquid eyeliner and kind of created a winged shape. And tried as best as possible to blend the black into the mesh area to kind of make it look like that actually is my skin. Then I added a bit of dark gray eyeshadow to blend that out. Then continuing with the gray eyeshadow underneath the eye. Then using black eyeliner in the waterline. Then I outlined the lips with black eyeliner, and then filled that in with a black liquid lipstick. After looking at the whole look, I decided to kind of fill in a little bit more of the spiderweb in some areas because it kind of felt like you could tell where one spiderweb ended. And to do that, I used black face paint. Then I used the remaining fabric to create sort of a little shawl to kind of complete the look and make it look more like a costume, and to kind of make it look like the spiderwebs extended to my neck and chest area as well. And this completes this black spiderweb lace makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.